Hello, my name is Chebon Kernell. I'm a member of the Indigenous Peoples Reference Group of the World Council of Churches, representing Indigenous peoples from the North American continent, where I am a member of the Muskogee Creek Nation and Seminole Nations. This is my first experience here at the COP25 gathering on climate change. I have to say, honestly, from the get-go, it's been somewhat of an overwhelming experience just understanding the mechanism and looking at some of the structures and how some of these nation states work together for policy change. But the main reason and the primary reason that I'm here is on behalf of our Indigenous peoples from across the world. This has probably been one of the most pleasant experiences as I've seen the abundance of Indigenous peoples arriving in the past few days here, articulating our place in the world and society, but our place also in this conversation of climate change. As we've been thinking about, what is it going to take to reverse what's going on our planet, we have quickly realized as Indigenous communities across the world that if nations, states, whatever it may be, whatever agency may be out there, if they would listen to the wisdom that is found in Indigenous cultures, we would more quickly come to solutions to some of the problems that we see coming about today. So I stand here in solidarity not only with people of faith through the World Council of Churches, but I also stand here in full solidarity in my identity as an Indigenous person, but also as Indigenous peoples, walking with Indigenous peoples from across the world as we try to articulate our place, our right to exist, our right to be self-determinate in surviving all of the crises that our people face.